Now, the reason you're not confident is because you constantly dwell around people who are not confident. Listen, understand this. When you go for a walk with someone, two things must happen. Okay, it's either you adjust the person's pace or the person adjusts to your pace. That is why there's two ways to be successful in life. Number one, hook up with people that are mindset oriented. Hook up with them, okay? People who know where they are going. If you do so, you are going to adjust to their pace. Then you will be successful too. Then another way to do it is to stay alone, okay? Stay alone. That is another way to do it. So there are two ways to actually become really successful. And these individuals that are mindset oriented, they are really rare to see. You rarely see them, okay? So that is it. Okay, now that being said, right now, I just want to bring something to the table right now. I might share part of this to my WhatsApp status. If you want to be part of it, you want to partake in my status every day, and I am a motivated guy. Okay, so if you want to partake in my status, my things I do, then contact me. If you are seeing this stuff on Facebook right now, you can contact me and join the train. Okay, so now I just want to bring something. I have a YouTube course. I will play a part of my YouTube course so you see how powerful it is. I'm going to teach you how to start a YouTube channel, upload your videos, edit your videos, give you music for free, and many other things, copyright laws, how to upload popular videos without copyright claims. All those things I'll teach you how to do all those things. Okay, so all you need to do is contact me right now. My YouTube course is cost 2,500 naira. Okay, it starts to build your social presence. Okay, the money is so cheap compared to what you will gain if you post a video and you become popular. Like that is success. Okay, so you can take my YouTube course, 2,500 naira. Okay, and I have a course on how to teach you how to sell free ebooks. Okay, and you don't know how powerful ebooks can be. You don't know how powerful. I don't know how rich it can make you be. This is not a get rich quick stuff. You don't understand how rich, okay, ebooks can make you be. Okay, those who understand are the people who get into the business as fast as they can, and they are trying to make something out of it. If they don't quit, they will definitely make something out of it. So I'll teach you how to sell free ebooks. Meaning you will not be writing ebooks. Okay, I'll teach you how to sell them for free. Or give value to raise the value of the ebooks so that you can actually make sales. Okay, so that course is going to cost 1,700 naira, mainly for students. Okay, also if you're an adult, you can take this. Anyone can take this. Okay, why I say it's for students? Because it requires little or no effort. Okay, so another one I have is my I have my skill monetization course. Okay, if you want to learn how to monetize your skill, okay, like you are a mom, you're a dad, you're a single mom, you're a single dad, wherever you are, if you are worldwide, wherever you are, if you're interested in my stuff, you are in the US, you are in Canada, wherever you are, Morocco, wherever you are, Egypt, wherever you are, you viewing the stuff right now, you can pay. I have means, I have methods you can pay. Okay, pay to me. Okay, for my courses. So don't feel you can't pay, or don't feel regional. This guy is making a video for only this color Nigeria. No, I'm making it for everyone. This video is for the YouTube course and the 8th. Okay, we are on the 8th day of this course right now, and the next break will be day 10 will be the next break. Okay, so the 8th has to do with practicals in video making. So we are coming to practicals properly. Now listen, thank God for seeing me. Thank God for paying for this course. Thank God for even connecting us together, because I'm going to change your mindset. Once this place here can change, your life has changed. You get this clearly. People won't get to where they want to go. They will get to where life pushed them to. Why? Because they can't go against the tide. When you are in a boat, yes, the direction of the tide is where you're likely to go, right? If you are on a boat. Many people, that's how it is. Life pressure them. They just push in the direction life pressure them to. You will never get to where you're going to live right way. This is just a bonus. Diamonds are made from graphite, right? Diamonds are made from graphite. Diamonds are not made in cold water. Diamonds are made under pressure and heat. The graphite will change into diamond when you heat it under pressure. Is when it changes. What happens? Why is that heat can change? And not everything, not every opportunity you grasp. Okay, powerful people don't take all opportunities. They select the things that they want. Okay, so in today's video we have paper course, right? This course is going to last for roughly 17 days. Okay, and for day one I will tell you the scheme. There is a scheme of the course. Day one, mindset change, free video will be given. So day one I will teach you about mindset, which is today's video now will be about mindset. Then day two, how to reprogram your thoughts and mind for the digital computer world or environment. A video will be given on this. So I'm going to teach you how to reprogram your mind, your thoughts for the digital world, so that you can use the paper to make money. So day three, how to stop fear of the internet. Okay, a self-development video. Day three is how to stop fear of the internet, a self-development video. People fear the internet and they themselves are the cause of their own misfortune. Just for instance, now some people will tell you, hey, they hacked my Facebook account, they hacked this, they hacked that. You did not use a strong password. Check those people who are saying this and saying that about Facebook. They didn't use a strong password, number one. And number two, they log in their account with a bad friend who changed their Facebook password, and they come on the internet and start to say this and say that. Get rid of all those kind of things. Okay, use a strong password. Once you use a strong password, it's finished. You can never get my password. You will die trying to get it. It's so hard to get. So use a strong password. So day 4 will be what is PayPal. I'm going to tell you what PayPal actually is. Day 5 is how to set up a PayPal account that sends and receives money worldwide. That's for day 5.